Alright, y'all, what up? So, finally replaced the Cobalt, as you can see. Got the new 1/4 inch. Apparently it's a 90 tooth now. And, that's this. And then, part number is 81696. 90 tooth Cobalt. It's not bad. And then over here, as y'all see, got the new 1/4 inch Craftsman as well. 72 tooth. But apparently this one's a mini head. Yeah. Same design. But apparently the head's smaller. Which we will find out if it's actually better with the small head or not. So hang on one sec, y'all. And you'll need a T6 and a T9. So let's pop this one open. Oh, wrong one. And then pop the face. Oh, got my flathead. Shit. Well, that just happened. Oh, got that back in. As y'all can see, it's a straight gear on a gear. So that's the good part. And that's how that is. That's the Kobalt. And now it's a Craftsman. You need your T6 for this one. So here's the insides of this one. And the surprising part is the back side of this one, right here at the bottom, has a detent for this right here, which is pretty cool. And apparently they upgraded it so it's a wavering now instead of an O-ring. It's a cool part, and that's the Craftsman. If y'all got any questions, just leave a comment.